Assalamu alaikum. Matching file names using path name expansion. What we will learn in this video: pattern matching, uses of wildcards, tilde expansion, brace expansion, echo command. Let's get back to our lab. We have logged in our server and opened a terminal. Type mkdir space glob space semicolon space cd space glob. It will create a directory and change the directory to the newly created directory. We are now in glob directory. Create some file here using touch command, alpha, bravo, charle, etc. We have created some file in the glob directory. You can see the file list with the ls command. Now we will list the file only beginning with the letter A. Type ls space A asterisk symbol. It will list the file starting with the letter A. Here able and alpha are started with A. Now type ls space asterisk A. It will list the file ending with the letter A. Here alpha and delta has the letter A in their end. Type ls third bracket opening AC third bracket closing asterisk. It will list the file starting with the letter A and C. Here able, alpha, cast and charle has the first letter A and C. Type ls space 4 question mark for listing the files. Those have 4 letters in their file name. Able, alpha, cast, easy, echo has 4 letters in their file name. If you use 5 question marks, it will list the files. Those have 5 letters in their file name. Type ls space tilde / glob to list the files of this particular directory. Type echo space tilde / glob / to show the current user's current directory with the full path name. Type clear to clear the terminal window. We will now learn the echo command. Type echo space second bracket opening Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, second bracket closing dot log. It will create file with names like sunday.log, monday.log, tuesday.log, wednesday.log. Here .log is the common name for the file. You can use this command to create bulk amount of file, or you can type echo file second bracket opening 1.3 second bracket closing .txt to create file with the name file1.txt, file2.txt, file3.txt. You can also use letter in the echo command. Type echo space file second bracket opening a.c second bracket closing .txt like this. It will create file a.txt, file b and file c.txt. Type echo space file second bracket opening a comma b second bracket closing again second bracket opening 1 comma 2 second bracket closing .txt. It will create file with the name file a1.txt, file a2.txt, b1.txt, b2.txt like the matrix multiply. Type echo today is date space plus percentage a and the closing to see the weekday with a custom string. You can add the custom text here. To display the hostname using echo command, type host equal $, first bracket opening, first bracket opening, host name, first bracket closing, semicolon space echo space $, host. It will display the host name. So you may now use the echo command in your Linux terminal. Thank you all for being with us. See you in the next video.